Hi, this is Miss Nursana, and English is not my first language, and I was trying to um, have subtitles to it, but I didn't find anything, something like that. So what I've done is I wrote down my comments into the file as I go through, as somebody is going through this video, they can read those comments. So this website offers catering service, which is right here. This is the home page, and it has 5 pages. The other page is about foods, um, which has recipe and ingredients about the food. And this is the dessert section. Um, I only added the ingredients here about the dessert and the name of the dessert, and this is the gallery which has all the pictures about the food we are going to offer, and this is the contact us page. Um, for this style, um, I have created a file. It's called style.css, which is actually in the CSS folder. And for if you want to change something, we will not edit 5 pages, but we'll change style here, and it will work on all the pages. This is our style file here. I open it already. Yes, and this style will be applied only on the body. From here, this is the background color and the font family, the font size. This is the wrapper division, which contains all elements on page. The background is the minimum and maximum width, and the margin. I set it for auto, so it will calculate the margin itself. This is the styles for header tag, which is right here, a very dark blue background color, and the height of the header. This is the style for H1. I added the padding to it, so it will leave some blank space on the top. And this is the navigation, which we used to represent the website menu right here. And this is gonna make it we are making the text bold, and the width, and right here we added the padding 1 em, that it will leave a 1 em a blank space everywhere around this element. And right here, what we are going to do, we will put styles for the tag inside the menu. If we write nav A, it means that we apply styles for those tags which are nested in the nav A tag if it is a selector. So right here, nav A text color is this, and then the border format, like the border format, that how bold it will be, what kind of border it will be, and what color it will be. And for making the corners rounded, we added this border. We code this border radius, and this is the text alignment, which is in center. And by default, links have blue underline, so we need to remove this text decoration to set its value to none. And then we need following style to set how links will look after user click on them. By default, links changes their colors from blue to purple after you click them. We want to have custom styling, and like if I go here, it's gonna show if I'm navigating through it, or if I'm clicking on it, it's gonna show different colors. This is the footer section of the website, similar styles as I described above. And some images I had were vertical orientation, so if we display them like all other images with of 400 pixels, they will look bad. So I created a class for them. So if in HTML we write um, this, this image will have a width of 200 pixel instead of 400 pixel. Height is calculated automatically based on the width value, which is here. You can see media query. We need media queries to apply different styles to website depending on user screen resolutions. The following style will be applied only if width of user screen is 124. Right here, change the top padding for header so it looks better. Here we have another media query for users whose screen resolution is less than 768. So if we have a screen size of 700 pixels, that finally the rules will override and all styles in previous media query and main style of document media only all in. Alright, so for the contact us page, in head section we put some configuration for the page and CSS style and JavaScript, but basically here we cannot display page content, all content in this body. And over here we set character encoding for the document. This line is necessary to support mobile phones or devices, and this is the title of the contact us title. Here we link to CSS style, which are in the CSS folder, the file I was talking about. Um, and this is here, for example, it is used to support all browser. For example, if your browser does not support some features of HTML5, then the library HTML5 will make it work anyway. And here we use the function validate form, the JavaScript function, which is used to validate the contact us form. So if function validate form works, then this is gonna happen that if all the fields are not empty, if I try it here, go to the contact page, and if I try to send an email, it's gonna show me that all fields are required. And let's say for the name, it can take only alphabets here, and then the message value, and right here the subject length should be at least 5 symbols. If I do like 3 symbol and submit it, all fields are required. It's gonna say this is the name and this is the email address. So okay, it's gonna say that the email address is invalid, which is all described here.